In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the OpenAI server status. This can be incredibly useful if you're experiencing issues with accessing their services like ChatGPT. We'll walk through some practical tips to help you troubleshoot effectively, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to check the status of the OpenAI servers by visiting status.openai.com. And this website is the go-to place for real-time updates on server performance, downtime, and any reported technical difficulties. By checking here first, you can determine if there are any widespread issues. If the servers are down or experiencing trouble, there's no need to stress. It's likely not an issue on your end, just a temporary hiccup on their end. In such cases, the best advice is to simply wait a bit and try again later. Once you've verified the server status, a good next step if you're still having trouble is to refresh your connection. On a Windows computer, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and F5 simultaneously, which forces your browser to reload the page without any cached data. For those of you using a Mac, the equivalent command is Command, Shift, and R. This refresh ensures that you're working with the most up-to-date version of the page. Now, if you're on a mobile device, you'll want to close the application or browser tab completely and then reopen ChatGPT. This method works similarly to a refresh and might just be the quick fix you need. Should these steps not solve your issue, clearing your browser's cache and cookies is another avenue to explore. Over time, stored data can create conflicts with the latest information from websites like OpenAI in your browser settings. Whether you're using Chrome or Edge, navigate to the privacy section and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to remove both cookies and cached images or files after clearing. It's important to log back into ChatGPT to ensure your settings and sessions are all current. If you're still encountering problems, consider switching up your browser or device. Different browsers sometimes interact with web applications in unique ways, so switching between Chrome, Safari, or Firefox could be beneficial. Similarly, if your issue persists on the mobile app, try accessing ChatGPT via a web browser and vice versa. This change might resolve any lingering discrepancies that skew your experience. So those are the steps you need to follow to check and resolve any OpenAI server issues. By understanding how to navigate these tasks, you can ensure a smoother and more efficient use of their services. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.